For the benefit of passengers traveling between Goa and Mumbai, Konkan Railway in coordination with Central Railway have started running these special trains, especially for this all-day season. So one of this train is 01129 CSMT Madgaon, which leaves CSMT at odd 20 hours. This train will be operated only for 2 days, on 3rd and 5th of April. This train will leave from CSMT at odd 20 hours, and same day it will reach Madgaon at 15 hours. On the return journey, it will start at 16 hours. Immediately after coming, train will leave at 16 hours on 3rd and 5th April and reach CSMT next day morning at 3:45 hours. Likewise, one more train has been announced. This will be for almost 2 months between CSMT and Madgaon. Train number 1019. This train, it will run only on Sundays, but it will leave CSMT at odd 55 hours and reach Madgaon at 15 hours. On the return journey, train number 01020, it will leave from Madgaon at 16 hours and reach CSMT at 3:50 hours next day. So these trains, both these trains, what I announced is having 22 coaches and stoppages provided at various stations over Konkan Railway. I urge passengers who wish to come to Goa or return back to Mumbai to book the tickets on this special train for their comfortable journey.